This is Tirana TV, a place for entrepreneurship and self-development. We are all about crafting our life and our mindset. So welcome. In this video, I'm talking about how to go from average to amazing. See, everybody, each of us, we are all amazing beings. We are at the image of God or the universe, if you call it that way. Some people will live their entire lives without ever experiencing amazingness, without ever knowing even that they are amazing. Whereas other people know that they're made out of more, and they set themselves to find the key to unlock that door. And that's the difference between these two people. You want to belong to this group. You want to belong to the group of people who know that they're made out of more. You want to belong to the group of people who know that they can set themselves on the path of finding that key, the key that will unlock their greatness. So if you want to go from average to amazing, the first thing you need to do is to stop investing in your weaknesses. Many people never unlock their greatness because they're trying too hard. They're trying too hard at things that are not within their range of ability. The first question that you need to answer is, are you in your zone of genius? There is no point in trying to invest in a skill that is not natural to you. We all have things that we are good at. We have our strengths, we have our weaknesses, and that's what makes us us. And then if you, instead of focusing on your strength, you decide to focus on your weaknesses because you're trying to compete with somebody or be like somebody, or I don't know, follow the society or the trend or whatever, then that's not smart. You need to operate within your zone of genius. And your zone of genius is the zone where things feel natural to you. It's easier to craft a natural ability, to make something natural become amazing, than trying to learn something that is not part of our genetic code, something that is not part of our being. That is hard. Not only you're gonna put in the work to make it become acceptably natural to you, plus the time that you're gonna spend crafting it to go from that to considerably great. All I'm trying to say is that you spend more in terms of time, energy, emotion and all that, just because you're trying to craft a skill that is not natural to you, when you could just focus on your strength. If you're good at writing, why don't you write even more? Why don't you learn how to take it to another level, push it a little bit further, find something that is natural to you and start building from there? It's easier. As I said already, this is the reason why a lot of people are stuck in the average zone. This is why a lot of people will never unlock their greatness, because they're investing in their weaknesses. So if you want to go from average to amazing, you need to find that thing you're good at and build on it. The second thing that is important to do in order to go from average to amazing is to break the pattern. Sometimes because we are so familiar, we are so comfortable in our pattern, we are just used to it and it's just normal to us, and we forget that that's the reason why you're not breaking through. In order to break through, if you want to go from average to amazing, you have to break the pattern. You have to start doing things that you weren't doing before, or stop doing things that you used to do, in order to create a different result. You cannot be doing ordinary things and expect the extraordinary result. To have extraordinary result, you need to start doing extraordinary things. And so ask yourself, what are those things that you need to do? What are those things that you can start doing right now to change, to break the pattern, in order to take your result to another level, to expect something amazing? The third thing that I'm going to talk about is to create that idea of amazingness in your head. If you don't know what you're after, how are you going to get it? You need to know what you're chasing. If you're trying to upgrade from average to amazing, what does that mean to you? What does that look like? You need to know in order to chase it. If you know the price at the end of your effort, you will have more fire. You will have more determination and passion because you know what you're after. So it's important to have that clarity in your mind. What amazingness looks like. And this is what I talked about in the beginning. Some people don't even know that they're made out of more. When you know that you're made out of more, you see yourself in a different lens. People are seeing you as an average man or woman, but you know that you're always gonna say that, no, I know I can give more. I know I'm made out of more, because you know you've got this vision of yourself that nobody sees but you. So it's important to think about that amazing, that greater self of yours. It's important to believe in that vision of yourself that nobody sees but you. And people will disagree with you, people will turn you down, people will say that you're crazy for thinking of yourself that high, but you alone can see that you've got the potential. So it's important to believe even when everybody is crumbling around you. Believe even when everybody is quitting. Believe even when everybody does not agree with you. So that is a very crucial step in going from average to amazing. It is important to affirm, to recite affirmation. Say it to yourself, reassure yourself. Tell yourself that, yes, you are great. Not you, but I. Say, I am great. I am the best this. I was born to be there. I have what it takes to get there. These are things that will reinforce your belief. These are things that will make things clear in your head, that will give you the strength that you need to get from average to amazing. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is choice. This is the place where you choose to become. It is important to acknowledge your strength. It is important to see yourself as a greater, I don't know, whatever you're trying to become. It is important to believe in all that. But if you don't choose, if you don't make a commitment, if you don't decide, if you don't sign a contract with yourself to commit to see that through, you're gonna quit. So it's a choice that you make. It's a decision that you take. And it's important, you don't take it lightly. When you say, I commit to this dream, I commit to this goal, to see myself from going from average to amazing, then chances are you're gonna feel more motivated, you're gonna feel more passionate, and you're gonna see it through. My last step is to give everything. Give everything you can. Once you find that zone, once you have your vision, stick to it and give everything. It comes with failure. It comes with sacrifices. It comes with humiliations. It comes with, a lot. But give everything. Stick to it. Commit to your dream. Commit to your goal. And that's how you're going to go from average to become amazing. You can't just sit down and wish to become amazing. If you want to become amazing, you have to put in the work and the extra work. You know what I mean? And so, you know what I mean? So that's all I wanted to talk about today. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys in another video. Peace. The weather outside is dreadful, and the baby is slow, it is slow, it is slow.